Self-Publishing 101, a guide for creative writers. Hello and welcome, future writers. In today's lesson, we're diving into an incredibly important part of the creative writing process, one that might help you take your stories out into the world. We're talking about self-publishing. What is self-publishing? How does it work? And more importantly, how can you use it to share your creative work? Let's find out. So, what exactly is self-publishing? In simplest terms, self-publishing is the process by which an author independently publishes their work, usually at their own expense. Unlike traditional publishing, where a publishing house decides whether to publish your work and takes care of the printing, marketing, and distribution, in self-publishing, the author becomes their own publisher. This means you have control over every step of the process, from writing and editing, to designing, printing, and selling your book. Now that we know what self-publishing is, let's talk about its pros and cons. On the bright side, self-publishing gives you total creative control. You decide everything about your book, including its cover design, interior layout, and price. You also get a higher percentage of the profits, as there are no publishers or agents to share the royalties with. However, there are challenges too. Self-publishing means you are responsible for everything, from editing, proofreading, to marketing and distribution, which can be overwhelming. You also have to bear the financial risk of the project, which includes the cost of professional editing, design, and initial printing if you choose to go for print books. Next, let's look at the steps you might take to self-publish your book. 1. Write your book. Before anything else, you need to have a completed manuscript. 2. Edit and proofread. Your book should be as polished as possible. You might hire a professional editor, or ask a talented friend to help. 3. Design your book. This includes both the cover and the interior layout. 4. Choose a self-publishing platform. There are many online platforms that can help you publish your book, both in print and as an e-book. 5. Set your price and publish. Decide how much to charge for your book, upload it to your chosen platform, and hit publish. 6. Market your book. This could include social media promotion, arranging book signings, sending copies to reviewers, etc. And there you have it. A basic introduction to the world of self-publishing. It's not always easy, but it can be a rewarding way to share your creative work with the world. We hope this lesson has helped you understand the possibilities and challenges of self-publishing. In the end, the journey of writing and publishing should be just as fulfilling as the moment you hold your published work in your hands. Keep writing, keep dreaming, and don't stop believing in your creative potential. Happy writing!